Brilliant. Brilliant taste. Baked, sweet, right? Baked Indian tart.
Yes.
Adi, did you get your answer? Never challenge me in the future, do you get it? If my grandpa finds someone good, then that person is good. Do you understand?
Um, uh, friends, move aside. Friends, on this auspicious day, being present at the PCG party, aren't we going to shout out the famous slogan of the Halla party? We will, right?
Correct.
Isn't
We
it?
will.
Then let's say it together. Hail the Lord!
Hail the
This time, we have proved that we can produce a variety of desserts.
Yes. Mr. Aditya Agarwal was so embarrassed.
Okay, now listen, everyone. This trophy isn't only Siddharth's pride, okay? This is a prize for the whole Modak family. I just can't express in words how much happy my grandson and my granddaughter-in-law make me today. Now, everyone, tell me, how can we celebrate this victory?
Well, we
Ah.
can go out for holiday somewhere.
Yes.
It's a great idea.
Right.
It's a brilliant
Yes.
idea.
Yes.
But where should we go, Radul?
Suggest a destination.
Well,
Yeah.
What happened?
Mom, darling, I have a problem. I won't be
What?
able to go.
Oh,
Why?
Nanda, your husband might not be as talented as your brother, but he has a job, right? That's the reason I won't get leave. Besides, I have to go on a tour as well.
Hey, what tour?
Official tour.
No, at least you don't disappoint us. A
Ah.
trip isn't possible without you. Please.
Thank God, this time at least, I'm not the villain. Grandpa, this huge project we have bagged, we'll start working on that now, so a trip will be impossible for me.
Oh.
Okay then, let's organize a feast.
No, Mithai. Not a feast. We always have feasts.
Shri, let's go shopping together. Brother Sid can take us.
That's it. Look at the enthusiasm. If Siddharth takes you shopping, then he will be doomed.
Aunt Opa, why are you saying that to her? Sister has demanded something. Brother shouldn't fulfill her demands.
Nipa, don't worry. Buy whatever you want, I'll pay for it.
Just few days ago, could anyone even think about demanding something like this? Really, my sweet brother has improved so much. Today, when he was receiving the award, I wasn't being able to believe my own eyes. I was so happy.
Really. I also couldn't believe myself, Nanda. But all this has become possible because of Mithai. I'm truly saying this, Mithai. Because of you, we have got back our beloved brother. Actually, you're so jovial all the time that she's up to such mischief all the time that Sid also has to come out of his shell.
100%, 100% Shri. 3 cheers for Mithai. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip. Hooray! Yes.
No. What has Mithai done? If you all have become even a little bit happy, it's all because of the Lord. Today when I was standing in the middle of the road with the truck that had broke down and grandfather's grandson reached there while searching for me. Then I realized that Lord would never disown Mithai.
Just that even your Lord Gopal acts crazy from time to time. Actually, Mithai talks so much that Lord Gopal also plugs his earbuds. That's natural. We ourselves become so crazy, and Lord Gopal has to hear throughout the day. That's why Mithai's phone didn't work and my phone was also charged out. In totality, Mithai's Lord Gopal has made us dance to his tunes today.
Are you all laughing? Do you get to hear Mithai talk much these days? Instead, Siddharth talks more these days. Don't you remember how much he spoke during this project, Brother Rajiv?
Yes, he has spoken, but if he hadn't, then.
No. He has indeed spoken a lot. Ask Siddharth's colleagues. He scolds everyone and throws his air around. Siddharth speaks so much. His female colleagues have told me everything. I have asked everyone to come home. You all can hear it from them then.
Mithai, when did you get the time to chit-chat with them?
Dad? Now I understand. When she was making the sweet, she must have asked them too many questions and drove them mad. Am I right?
Oh, no wonder. That's why everybody was asking me to throw the success party at home. I had thought of throwing the party at a posh restaurant, but everybody insists on having the party at home. That's what I was wondering. I was utterly surprised. Grandpa, Rajiv, can you imagine? These are the people who rush to some or the other party after work every day. But they wanted to come home all of a sudden. I was really confused.
Why? What is there to be confused about, Sid? See, you guys might not admit it, but there is no substitute for family. Listen, the way you can have fun inside your house along with your friends and relatives, can you have the same fun at a hotel or restaurant? Please invite all your colleagues to our house. Let them come. You have to throw a party that is well liked by all of them, but please do it at home. You'll see that they'll never be able to forget this particular party in this lifetime. Well, the elders won't be present there. What do you say, Opa?
Yes.
You are absolutely right, Grandpa. Brother Siddharth, listen, let the party happen in this house. Whatever preparations will be required for the party, I'll take responsibility for that.
Yes, Brother Sid, I'll also help. I will arrange the music and the dance, everything.
What happened? Look, what happened, Siddharth? Why are you hesitating?
I'm wondering if it's a good idea to party at home or not. I mean, many things are required for it.
Oh, Siddharth. Look, if you have a problem partying your way in our presence, then we won't be present here. Mom is anyway going to the temple to offer prayers. Dad, explain it to
Yes,
him.
we will also have fun in our own way. You people have fun in your own way. Do whatever you want. We are not even going to see it. This is a gift from the elders to the juniors. What do you say?
You're absolutely right, Dad. Oh my, I had absolutely forgotten that it was time for you to take medicine. Mom is looking for you. Let's go. Let them continue with their
How many
discussion.
more do you want?
Rajiv,
Yes?
I was thinking we throw a party tomorrow. Because after that, I'll be really busy.
Yes, of course. Please go ahead.
Brother Rajiv, Isn't the whole thing happening at a great speed? What do we have to do for this party?
Hey, Mithai, you don't have to worry much. Together we will arrange everything. We handle such a grand corporate party.
Yes.
Can't we arrange a simple success party?
Yeah.
No, actually, I have no idea about these things.
You will have an idea, Shri. I'm going to text in my office group, okay?
Hey, will you be able to arrange it all?
Hi, Tess.
Are you throwing a success party?
Yes, tomorrow evening.
Team members from the office will be coming, and you're going to throw a party at home. What's wrong with you, Sid? I mean, will you tell me exactly what you want? The kind of party that we do, that kind of party will happen at your home. You're going to throw a dance party.
Why can't I throw a dance party at home? I mean, it can be arranged very well. You two have thrown parties a couple of times at your place. What's wrong?
Sid, there is a big difference between my home and your home. It's better not to invite your colleagues to a lousy home party and become a laughing stock. Get it? And who is arranging everything? Your wife, Mithai. There will be a couple dance as well, I guess.
Tess, don't you think you're crossing your boundary?
What? Am I the one crossing boundary? Sid, have you looked into yourself? Have you seen yourself lately? What's happening? You are entering an award ceremony smeared in soot, carrying a conventional oven. And then, you're making the rustic lousy girl Mithai stand beside you. Wow.
Tess,
And now he's claiming that the rustic girl Mithai will arrange a party as I do. And there will be dance too. Look, Sid. Don't forget we have a class. You too had a class, but now you don't.
Tess, mind your words. You're really insulting me now. Please don't cross your boundaries, Tess.
The way you are speaking, after that, what else can be my reaction? Okay, will Mithai be able to do a couple dance with you? I mean, do you seriously believe that?
Look, Tess. First of all, I didn't know that there is going to be a dance party at my party. In fact, you're telling me this now. But the way you're insulting me, the way you're talking so harshly, let me tell you one thing very clearly. A couple dance will indeed be an event at this party. And Mithai will dance with me.
What? Sid, what is he saying? Sister Nanda, what does all this mean?
We'll also prove what dance actually is.
What? I just can't imagine that you're saying this to me, Sid. You never danced with anyone else other than me at any party, Sid. And does Mithai know this kind of dance? Just shaking one's hip isn't dancing, Sid.
Tess, as far as I know, she has talent. She's a natural dancer. Anyway, you'll get to see everything tomorrow. Goodbye.
What did grandfather's grandson say? I just can't understand anything.
Darsha?
What is Sid saying? Sid is apparently saying that he'll organize a dance party at your house tomorrow where Sid and Mithai will dance. With Mithai, she can just shake her hips. Do you know what, Shom? Earlier at any party, Sid never used to dance. But whenever he used to join the dance floor, he would only dance with me. Only with me, Shom. And now Sid is saying that he will perform a dance with Mithai in front of me.
Is the dance so important? It's so insignificant. Think about the main issue, Darsha. Please.
No, Shom. Tomorrow's dance is extremely important for me. You can't understand. I can't let Mithai dance properly tomorrow. Torsha will not accept defeat. Not at any cost.
Listen, Mithai won't get involved in any more challenges. Mithai is leaving. Mithai can't dance in a funny manner. Let's grandfather's grandson get the point clear.
Mithai, stop. Mithai asked you to stop. Stop, Mithai. Aren't you ashamed, Mithai?
What?
Huh? Didn't you tell me in the morning that you will listen to everything I say? Did you say or not? Put your foot down. Put your foot down.
Oh my. I forgot even to keep my foot down seeing your rake. And you are asking me to dance with you. Look, Mithai always dances to her heart's content. She has her own weird dance moves. Mithai won't be able to remember many rules while dancing. Please spare me, please.
Please. It's please, okay? Not please. And why are you all standing here silently? Please tell her it's a matter of my prestige. I told Tess so proudly that Mithai is a natural dancer, and now she wants to run away.
Mithai, I'm supporting Sid this time. Think about Sid's position too, please. Why are you so scared? You're such a good and natural dancer. Why should you be scared?
Shom, I wouldn't have to see this dance party if you could stop their sweet project successfully. You failed miserably. And Aditya Agrawal, he created a ruckus at a corporate party by losing his temper. Sid and Mithai became closer to each other amidst this sweet fiasco. Actually, I made a mistake in understanding.
You made one more mistake, Torsha. Throwing a challenge at Siddharth out of anger. Now have you realized what is going to happen at the party? I failed miserably. I wouldn't have if Rudra didn't help Siddharth. But you created a mess for yourself. Now no matter what, Siddharth will make sure that Mithai dances well in the party.
This isn't about making sweets, Shom. It's dance. Dance has to be learned, which I have done. And Siddharth Modak used to be picky about all these things before. But now he has become the lousy Bengali husband and he likes the hip-shaking moves of his wife, Mithai. Tomorrow I'll insult Mithai in such a manner that she won't find a way to escape.
Listen, Mithai. My brother has some reputation to maintain and you have to protect that. Do you understand?
No, Nanda. If Mithai doesn't want, then why should she force herself? Sorry, Sid. I think you should have asked Mithai and then taken the challenge.
But Shri...
What do you mean? Torsha was continuously insulting brother Siddharth. He had no time to ask Mithai. Right. Besides, does anyone need to take the wife's permission to do everything? One has some natural rights also. I agree that they are in a challenge game for a month, but in spite of that, they are still husband and wife for a month. Why so much formality, Shri?
That means if Ratul had fought for you with someone else and would have asked for your support, wouldn't you support him?
Don't talk about Shri. She's different, Nanda. She was involved in an accident, yet she never thought of calling me and informing me. Instead, she was trying to stop me. She's that much formal with me.
But my younger brother didn't care for such formalities. We all have witnessed how Ratul didn't allow Sri to walk till her wounds were healed. But imagine if Sri had demanded this kind of treatment from Ratul, then Ratul would have been more happier. Ratul, am I right?
Brother, here we are not talking about us. We are discussing about Sid and Mithai. Mithai, you must dance along with Sid. I don't want to listen to anything. No arguments, please.
No. She can't dance just like that. She has to learn the dance properly. That too, by tomorrow evening. She'll have to dress up properly. She'll have to learn how to move around properly without breaking anything. Basically, you have to control yourself. Ratul, thanks a lot for supporting me, but I need one more help from you. You'll have to teach Mithai the dance steps properly. Nanda, please don't involve her in any work tomorrow morning. She'll run around the whole house in the name of doing chores and won't be found. Mithai, you must know one thing. If you don't practice the dance steps properly, then even your Lord Gopal won't help you. Remember that.
Oh Lord, why are you creating so many problems in Mithai's life? Mithai again got stuck in one more project.
The drama queen is at work. I just can't take this anymore, you know? Nonsense.